City. I am Cherise. Happy Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving is over. We are done with the Thanksgiving, and I wore my blessed shirt for you today just because I feel like I'm so blessed that you all come back every single week for my antics and to put up with my shenanigans with living for the city. And we go out every single week in the city and we have a great time, and I thank you so very much for your comments, for your suggestions. I get a lot of suggestions and comments, especially on the Instagram page. So side note, if you're not already following me on Instagram, do so at living_for_the_city. Hey, while we're there, how about we just like on Facebook as well, Living for the City 77. Let's do it. So, I want to thank you all for joining me every single week and being one of the Philly faves. You're the best. And it is unboxing time. Now listen, you probably saw from the title, I have a couple of boxes that we need to go through today. I have Birchbox, I have Ulta, and then I have Inua. Let's get right into it. We're gonna start with our Birchbox. Ooh, cute box. I just opened it. That box is cute. That's another thing that you get, these really cute little boxes that you can reuse. And I do believe that I picked this one. Another great thing about Birchbox is that you can customize. So you can customize and pick other boxes if in fact you want something special. And this is a holiday box, a new kind of holiday list. And it has a really cool little list maker here. And on the back, it will tell you all of the skincare essentials for winter, which is what we're gonna need, right? So here we go. First up on the list is the Georgette Klinger coconut cleansing milk. Now, this is a bestseller with Birchbox. And if I can find it, I will show you. Here it is. I've never had this before. Georgette Klinger coconut cleansing milk purifies your pores with this creamy cleanser made from hydrating coconut oil plus soothing grape and cucumber extracts. It's gentle enough for all skin types. I'm gonna try it. Coconut cleansing milk. I mean, I just love the sound of that already. So, okay, great, love it. Next is by H2O and Beauty. It is a hydrating sensitive milk serum. I mean, let's do it. Now, I don't know about you, but I love a good serum. I just started using them, by the way, so. This ultralight milky serum provides a relief to sensitive skin by hydrating and visibly reducing redness while improving texture and smoothness. Love. The next one that's a first timer is the Philosophy. I'm like, Philosophy, okay. Renewed Hope in a Jar Water Cream Hyaluronic Glow Moisturizer. Nice. Enriched with moisturizing hyaluronic acid and glacial water. Ooh, this anti-aging water cream reveals a fresh, natural glow. I'm excited about this one. Okay. Dr. Jart. Now, I've got this one before. It's a Ceramidin cream. It's by Dr. Jart Plus. And it is full of ceramides, making it a fast-acting hydrator that boosts skin's moisture, retention, and strengthens the barrier. This is a good one. I've used this before, so I do like that one. Next up is by Purlisse. It's a daily lip nourisher with mango and shea butter for the lips. This time of year, like you need something on your lips, right? So it's petroleum-free lip conditioner. It not only intensely moisturizes with an anti-aging formula, but it also creates a smooth canvas for lip color. Nice. Because it's always important. I got the full-size DERMA E Hydrating Eye Cream with hyaluronic acid. So I'm excited about this. This is the full size of it, and it is after 12 weeks of use. The smoothing eye cream actually starts to shrink the wrinkles, making them smaller and shallower. You just put a small amount to your fingertips and pat it around your eyes. Now, I'm gonna tell you right now, someone told me years ago, and I didn't listen to them. I might have read this on, like I heard it on Oprah when Oprah had her show, that no matter how old you are, you need to be using eye cream. Okay, whether you are 21 or 41, does not matter, you need to be using eye cream. I just wish I would have used it years ago when I first heard that you should use eye cream. Great job, Birchbox. I'm excited about this box. First of all, there's no hair care products. Thank you. no hair care products because we know Birchbox does not do well with that. But here's the thing though, that's the great thing about Birchbox is that they have so many things: hair products, skincare, makeup, perfume. I've gotten perfumes from them. They have such a wide variety of items and things that you can try. So Birchbox is the perfect gift. It's the holiday. It's the perfect gift for your girlfriend, your mom, your sister, your best friends. You can get them a 3-month subscription. They do 3-month subscriptions and they're so cheap. Also, if you click the link that's in the description, you will get $9 off. So I highly recommend you do that if you want to try it. And then they can try it out for 3 months and then let them continue if they want to. It's a great way to, or for yourself. How about that? As a thank you to you and a Merry Christmas to you. How about you get yourself a Birchbox for a few months? So anyway, that's my Birchbox for the month. Love it. Okay. Next up is my Ulta box, and again, I do not have a pair of scissors. Let's go get her. Ooh, my tea is good today. This tea. Okay, let me go get scissors. I'll be right back. And we're back. Okay, so next up is my Ulta box. Now, let me tell you something. You know me, I don't really shop at Ulta like that. I use Birchbox because, number one, I don't have an Ulta near me. I have to travel. I shouldn't say that. I mean, it's Philly. I think I'm in New York City. No, I mean, it's not that far. There's 10,000 Ultas everywhere, right? But, however, it's not on my way to or from anywhere. So I have to make a special trip to Ulta. So I usually utilize Birchbox for all of my makeup needs and things like that. However, there was something special that I wanted that I actually got from Birchbox, but Ulta had it cheaper. So I was like, sorry, Birchbox. So, and you'll remember this because so many of you were all like, what is that? It looks fabulous. So I want you to know we're reviewing that today. Remember, I got from Daily Concepts, I got the multifunctional soap sponge with mother of pearl. Remember that? I got another one. Let me tell you, I had to because I'm getting excited thinking about it. I have to slow down for a second. It is so luxurious. It was everything I thought it was gonna be and then some, okay? Babes, listen. So it is a sponge, okay? It's an exfoliating sponge, but it has soap that's infused in this mother of pearl, infused in the sponge. And I mean, the way it lathers onto the skin, the way it smells, the way it makes your skin feel afterwards. I mean, I'm telling you. So anyway, I'm not even finished with the first one because it lasts so long, but I already got a second one because I'm not playing around. Not only did I get a second one, but look at this one. They had another one on Ulta. Birchbox didn't have this one. This is charcoal. Oh my goodness. Charcoal infused. So I'm excited to try the charcoal infused, but I just had to get another one of the regular ones. So that is that. So we're gonna hold on to these. But I'm really excited about that. And also what I got out of here, I gotta share these with you. They are by Dashing Diva, and they are Ultra Shine Gel Palettes for the nail. I'm loving these. Okay, it wears just like salon gel, okay? It lasts up to 14 days. Can you just look at that real quick? Just look at that for me. Look how cute that is. Look how cute that is. Isn't that cute? That's the first one I got. This is the second one I got. So cute. Adorable. Perfect for literally just like everyday usage, right? And so I got a couple of these. I thought I got 3, but I guess I only got 2, huh? Dang, why did I do that to myself? I'm gonna wear these in my next unboxing for you, and then that way you'll be able to see how cute they are on. And these were actually on clearance. There were a couple of other colors that they had that were more fall-ish and winter-ish, but they were sold out. So I'm gonna go back on and get a couple more, and I'll share those with you as well. Next, I got a couple of lipsticks. That is pretty. Look at that. That's gonna show up really, really well on my skin. Perfect on, oh, that's pretty. Ooh, that's pretty. I'll show you that. Oh, that's pretty, see that? So that's a nice one. I like that one. And then the other, and I'm gonna swatch this one as well on top of that other one. So that will be a pretty nude as well. And a little bit of pink in that, but I think they both will look really pretty on my lips. And so I'm excited to try these. I'll let you know when I'm wearing them. And then finally, I got a palette. I love eyeshadow, and I like to play with it on the weekend. Oh, I just bought one. I shouldn't buy another one. However, can you? I'm so excited to show you. I don't know what to do with myself. Look here. Looky here. Looky here. Looky here. Look at those pretty colors. Oh my god. So cute. So cute. So cute. Every last one of them. So, I mean, I thought they were all really, really pretty. Perfect for this time of year. That is it for my Ulta haul. And last but not least is, I discovered this product during that self-care Sunday event. If you haven't seen that video, I'm gonna link it right here for you. Here it is. Oh, how cute. Thank you for your purchase, Charisse. We appreciate your support. Oh, how sweet of them. So there were two products that I got. Very simple. The Organic Moringa Tea Tree Mint Ultra Mild Face Cleanser. So this cleanser I love. It is very, very mild, smells fabulous, very light on the skin, but still a really nice cleanser. This is for all skin types, particularly dry and sensitive skin. This time of year, you need something that's gonna clean, but not be harsh on your skin because the elements are already harsh. So I absolutely love this. And then the other one that I got, we had this before. Again, the Organic Brightening Refining Toner. So this one softens, brightens, refines dry, dull skin. Things that we learned when we went for our facial. When we went for our facial with New Grade Beauty, we learned there are 3 things that we women should be doing daily for our skin, and those 3 things are ready, set, go. Cleanse, tone, moisturize. Before I went to New Grade Beauty, I was doing none. That's a lie. I was cleansing, obviously. Everybody washes their face, but I wasn't toning and I wasn't moisturizing. I would moisturize when I felt like my skin was dry. That's when I would moisturize. But now I do it twice a day, morning and night. I do all 3, and I feel like my skin feels so much better. Less breakout, hyperpigmentation is going away. I feel like I'm almost addicted to skincare and like the skincare regimen. And now I've taken it a step further. Now I even exfoliate once a week. Thanks, Dawn. Dawn taught me that. If you haven't seen that vlog, then you need to click right here. There it is. This is everything that I got this week, you guys. I'm going to link below all of this, all of the products that I have today. I'm gonna put them in the description box below for you. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you're not already subscribed to this channel, click that little red button below for me. Thank you. Again, follow me on Instagram, living_for_the_city. Like me on Facebook, Living for the City 77. I think that's it. See you next week. Bye.